Yo, what's up guys, Hexx Inkworks here, and today I'm doing another unsponsored video, just because I think this offer is so amazing and it's definitely you should watch out for in the future. Said offer comes from the Bench 504, who have been an established graffiti shop since 2002, but in the last year have expanded to screen printing. I was looking into getting some stickers printed when conveniently their offer came up on my story, where for £45 they would print 300 black onto petrol screen printed eggshells for you, which are sized at 6.5 centimeters square. All in all, this averages out at about 16p per sticker. Now, when I was looking prior to this offer, popular printers offered a similar price, but this was just for digitally printed vinyl, which is pretty typical. The Bench offers a whole new level of quality, consisting of a screen print on petrol coloured eggshell instead of just white. Now, for you guys that don't know, vinyl is basically sticky back plastic and is the typical industry standard for professional quality stickers. However, Eggshell, which is the branded name for ultra destructive vinyl, is slightly different and offers the characteristic of being fragile and breaks away in little sections, hence the name of Eggshell, which as a result makes it harder to remove, unlike typical vinyl which can just be ripped off in one chunk, and as a result graffiti writers love it. So getting so much more for my money, I decided to pick the Bench. Now, if you guys know me, you know that I'm pretty economically focused. However, when given the chance, I prefer to support independent, and I'm glad that I've been able to support the Bench today. If you want to check them out, give them a follow on their Insta at thebench504, and their website is thebench504.com. But yeah, that's it for this video guys. This has been Hexx Inkworks with the Bench 504 sticker shipment. Peace out guys.